Hello guys, so nandito kami ngayon sa Iloilo. Siyempre mahilig kami sa...
Hi guys, so I'm just going to give a quick reaction on what Yobab stated dun sa coffee break ba yan? Well, Ilonggo ako. Family ko is Ilonggo. But I don't find it offending. Is because I know that that blogger Yobab is really telling whatever she likes to say. So, ayun nga, it just so happen, hindi niya nagustuhan. So, yun ang sasabihin niya. Just like me, pag hindi ko gusto ang product, I would be saying it. And when you say yung about yung word na puta yata, I've heard, it's just like for me, my personal opinion, is like an expression. Kunyari ako nasarapan, ay puta, sarap. Or puta, hindi masarap. It's that simple. Walang minura, walang inalipusta. It's just a matter of saying whatever a person like, kung ano yung na-feel niya dun sa pagkain. And I think it's just normal. Binili niya. Unless na lang, ex-deal yan. Kumbaga, nilibre ka na tapos sinabihan mo pang pangit. That's weird. Pero if she pays for it, she has all the rights in the world to say whatever she wants. And ang dami ko na napanood na video niya ni Yobab. I could say na she's just being truthful. It really helps the company as well as the consumers kasi it helps improve the taste. Kung sinasabi na hindi naman lahat masasatisfy, then by all means dapat kahit at least man-neutral is may achieve nung company or ng isang restaurant or ng isang establishment. Because a lot of food bloggers right now are doing, food critiquing, kung ano masarap. And Yobab is one of the person that I could say na magtitiwala ako. Sinabi hindi masarap din. Hindi naman ako uto-uto, di ba? I would still be checking out kung okay, kung tama nga yung critic niya or not. It's not going to affect my decision. Hindi tayo uto-uto. We're human beings with individual emotions and brains. So, ang sa akin lang is, sana sa mga kapwa ko Ilonggo, don't be mad. Yobab is just stating kung ano yung naramdaman niya, nalasahan niya. Well, siguro, pag may time, I'll try it myself and I'll be doing a reaction dun sa pagkain dun sa coffee break. Kasi mukhang masarap. Then, kahit sinabi pa ni Yobab, hindi masarap, edi try ko for me to find out. No need to be irritated or aggravated. Again, yung sinabi niya is not to hurt the feelings of the owner. It's just a personal reaction. Yun lang po. So, our family is Ilonggo. And for me, hindi naapektuhan ang pamilya ko with that. So, yeah. Peace out and let's do the review ng mga pagkain and let's always be honest with what we say.